Hey ladies and gents, it's your girl Bennie with Bennie Cosmetics and welcome to my channel. Yes, thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching. While you're here, make sure you subscribe, alright? And I'm going to just thank you in advance for liking and subscribing on this video. Now stay tuned to see how I created this beautiful before and after on this gorgeous model. Yes. To begin, I always start off with the brows. Unless I'm doing bridal makeup, I typically start off with the brows. I already used, so just a disclaimer, all the products that I'm going to be using on her face are from my makeup line. So if you haven't done so already, head over to benniecosmetics.com to go ahead and see all the awesome products that I have on my website available for purchase. So like I said, everything I'm using on her face, down to the brushes, everything are from my makeup line. So I started off with the color dark brown to shade her brows and also fill them in. And then notice she has a scar on her brow, so I wanted to make sure that was nicely defined because I did ask her did she want it defined, and she said yes. So I said okay, we're going to accentuate it. Now I am using the concealer in the shade, I want to say it was number 5, to go ahead and outline her brows. Okay, and here I am using my palette, the nude palette from my collection, in order to smoke out that crease with a nice beautiful brown. And then I'm popping in this champagne color from that same palette right in the inner corner of her eyes, and then I'm just going ahead and outlining her eyes with our liquid liner. This liquid liner is smudge proof, it is long lasting, and it is a waterproof as well. So if you're interested in any of these products that I am mentioning, head over to benniecosmetics.com to go ahead and purchase yours. So far, do you guys like how this look is coming along? Go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know how you feel. Here I am applying our matte foundation, longwear foundation from our line, and this foundation is absolutely beautiful. It blends flawlessly into the skin, and it also lasts you all day and all night. It will not have you feeling cakey and greasy, or like, you know how when you're watching movies and then the person is crying, especially, I mean, Tyler Perry, I love your movies, but he's like, I feel like I don't know what they're using on these actresses' makeup and stuff like that, but you could just see it running. Like, this foundation won't do that. So anyway, so I have gone ahead and used our concealer, and now I am setting it with the translucent powder in order to just set that makeup in and just lock it in. And this is literally, like I always tell people, the step that you're making, which is the reason why your makeup looks greasy, is because you're not setting it properly, okay? And here I am using the Trio palette in order to contour her face. I love a soft contour. I don't like a harsh contour. If that's what you like, you know, no shade, no tea. That's what you like. It's your prerogative. But me, I love more of a subtle contour. Unless, you know, we're going for like a more dramatic, you know, type look. But anywho, but this beautiful model, she was actually modeling in the Fanatic braid hair show in West Palm Beach, and she was absolutely beautiful. I did a total of 2 different models. I will be posting the second model very soon once I get that video edited. So if you guys want to see more tutorials like this, definitely let me know in the comments. So I have set her face with my setting spray, and you see how just beautiful everything is just set in place. Everything's where it needs to be. Right here I am applying her lash glue. I tend to do my lash glue like this. I don't know, I feel like it's one, easier and quicker, and 2, it lasts longer. So again, it's just something that I do. Not that it's wrong, not that it's right. You know, with makeup, there's no right or wrong. You just got to do what works for you. And I have been a makeup artist for over 16 years. And over the years, I have learned many different tips and tricks that just works for me and my clients. So here I am lining her lips with the color lipstick Espresso. I'm sorry, I can't talk today. Espresso, and also filling it in the center lip with peach cream. And like I said, all these products can be found on my website, benniecosmetics.com. Okay, and these lipsticks are long lasting. They are smudge proof, and she just looks absolutely stunning. Yes. So head over again to BennieCosmetics.com to get yours and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, everywhere, BennieCosmetics.com. All right, now, thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Thank you so much again for your support. I love you all. And again, thank you for watching and make sure you like and subscribe. Bye. Toodles.